Hi guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. It is a makeup tutorial, so let's jump right in. Here I am applying FENTY foundation to my entire face. This is from the Pro Filter line. It is number 390. It is a soft matte long wearing foundation and I love it for myself. Here I'm fixing up my lace a little bit. Now I'm back to blending this foundation out. Blend, blend, blend. You want to make sure you get all underneath your neck so you can be all even toned. I'm just blending this all down. I do not know the correct brushes that I'm using, but I use what works for me. Here I'm applying concealer, which is also Fenty, the exact same number, 390. Their concealer and foundation works together. I'm doing a light contour. Here I'm going to blend my concealer down. I just want to make it all uniform so I won't have lines of demarcation. Blend, 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 blend. Blending is so important. Like I said, I'm just blending this all down just so I can get a nice even tone. Here we are. Now I'm setting my concealer with a sample from my Dolledlife brand. This is a sample of HD tinted powder in dark. I am considering adding this to my line. Now I only currently carry lip glosses and liquid lipsticks, so I love it. I'm really considering adding it. Here I am doing eyeshadow. I am not a huge fan of eyeshadow. I hardly ever wear eyeshadow, but when I do, I like natural eyeshadows. So this Crayon Case neutral nude palette is the perfect thing for me. It is called the Nude Rule. It has 12 shades in there. They're all like goldy brown and neutral colors, so it's perfect for me because I do not like eyeshadow colors really. So I'm just using these colors, blending them in, just giving me a nice tone. I'm going out tonight, so I want to be a little extra jazzy, so I added eyeshadow. Here I'm setting my face with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is one of my favorite. Black Radiance is one of my favorite products because they have a lot of things for brown skin girls, and it's really affordable. You can get this at your local CVS or Walgreens or Walmart. Here I'm just contouring and blending that out, like I said, so you won't have lines of demarcation. I'm setting my entire face also with a Black Radiance product. It is a pressed powder. I apply this to my entire face. This is a bronze glow. I'm all about looking bronzy. I'm also using Black Radiance highlighter palette. It's a 3D highlighter palette. I'm using the color Paradise. Now I'm just lining my eyelids with a simple beauty supply or Walgreens liquid eyeliner. Touching up my mole. I have an old piercing in my face, so I like to put a little black mole there. The lip products are Dolledlife. I'm using blush. I like to do an ombre lip. Blush is my outer color. These are liquid to matte, very long lasting, very soft. And they are a little bit scented. And the inside I'm using Nude. Later on you'll see me add a little bit of gloss from my spring line, which is blush. I'm using eyelashes from my Dolls line. Her line is called NIKOLE Mink Lashes. These lashes are really cute. They are really lightweight. I really love them. My eyelids are a little bit smaller, I guess, than the eyelashes come measured, so I always have to cut the tips off. Here I'm looking for my eyelash. I always lose the other one for some reason. And then I find it right in my face. So I'm just using hair glue. I like to use hair glue because eyelash glue, I have really bad allergies. So eyelash glue tends to lift up fast, like when I'm out. So the hair glue gives me a good hold. I like using that for myself. And I'm pretty much done here. I have blended my face out. I'm combing my hair. This is also a Dolledlife product. This is the 13x6 frontal wig in a straight texture. I'm setting my makeup with a NYX setting matte spray. Like I said, I like matte, a matte finish. And I'm pretty much done. Just doing a touch up, removing the glue off my face. Here I am, feeling fine and fabulous. Hair moving and doing all the right things. Face looking cute. Feeling really good. I'm going out tonight. So I'm feeling very, very cute. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share it. Please don't give me any negative vibes because like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I do know how to get this face together in need be when I got somewhere to go. I usually don't get my makeup done every once in a while unless I'm going somewhere serious or I got a photo shoot or something like that. Other than that, I do my own face. I use the products and the tools that work best for me. I'm not saying they're the right things, but they work very well for me. Thank you for watching my video to the end. Like I said, please subscribe. There will be more on the way. I am learning this YouTube thing. So this is my first video. I'm sure it won't be my best because I'm learning as I go. But I am available. Oh, period, Pooh. That's how I'm feeling right now. That's the face I got right now. Period. Thank you, and you guys have a very, very awesome day. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can also email me info@Dolledlife if you have any topics or anything specific. Follow me on Instagram, Dolledlife. If you search Dolledlife, DOLLEDLIFE, you can find me anywhere.